Jaden, no. Tell me, what happens if Cameron eats?
Because he will get fat.
Like how?
Like Jordan does.
How, Jordan?
Fat.
Like that?
Fat.
So what does he have to eat?
Nothing. Relax. He has to relax and drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is this my juice?
Yeah. No, actually, it's that one. This one.
Oh, this one.
So.
Oh, the big drink fat like this.
Oh, yeah, I like that belly.
I like that belly too. I want to see him. I'll touch it.
Okay.
I want to see this like this.
Okay. Look at the other one stuffing his face.
Oh my God! I like your haircut. Mwah.
Cameron,
Hey,
can you talk? Yeah. What are you thinking?
Your chubby face.